Unboxing video. So today is not going to be much talk. I'm just going to unbox this. I got it wrong. This here. I think it's pronounced Fleur de Percha. I don't know. I think that's like French. I don't know, but yeah, my friend got me this, so I'll just do an unboxing. So let's get right into the video. So let's unbox. Okay. So I've never tried this kind of perfume before. I've not even seen one like this before. But we hope it's good. Okay, I hope it's nice. I hope it smells nice. I hope it smells good. Ooh. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this packaging is so lovely. I think Fleur de Percha by Karl Lagerfeld. Yeah, so this is it. It's the bottle. Oh my god, guys. This is so lovely. So, guys, I don't know. I think, anyways, let's try it out. Oh my god, it smells so lovely. Oh my god. Thank you to my friend. Oh my god. It smells so nice. The packaging is the bottle is beautiful. Anyways, guys, I think this is going to be my new baby. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.